Every appliance hidden, every surface flush, every handle invisible. This is the six-figure luxury kitchen, and a single failed circuit board can turn it into a construction site. High-end remodels now routinely top $100,000, but the machines sealed behind that cabinetry still depend on compressors, fans, and touchscreens with finite lifespans. When one fails, you're not calling a repairman, you're calling a contractor. Because luxury kitchen design has quietly built a repair trap that most homeowners won't discover until something breaks. Data from the latest Who's Kitchen Trends study reveals that the top 10% of major renovations now exceed $150,000. Homeowners invest these massive budgets believing they are buying permanent structural assets. Instead, they are locking highly sensitive mechanical systems inside custom woodwork. When a single control board shorts, a compressor fails, or a touchscreen goes dark, a massive section of that premium kitchen becomes completely unusable. The primary risk begins after the installation crew leaves, when the reality of built-in integration sets in. Unlike traditional freestanding units that slide out for a simple repair, built-in units are physically anchored to the home. A normal component malfunction quickly escalates into an invasive cabinetry repair. The modern luxury kitchen is a complex machine wrapped in a beautiful wooden shell, and it is entirely dependent on parts that are guaranteed to fail. A 36-inch Thermador refrigerator column costs $9,099. Pair it with a matching 30-inch freezer column, and the price climbs by another $8,699. That is $17,800 for basic refrigeration before purchasing custom cabinet panels, decorative hardware, or professional installation. For a single unit, a 42-inch panel-ready French door model runs $13,499. These premium prices buy architectural seamlessness, allowing heavy machinery to blend directly into the surrounding woodwork. But physical concealment does not alter mechanical reality. Behind the custom veneered panels, these units still depend on the exact same moving parts: copper coils, plastic water valves, and delicate electronic control boards as any freestanding model. The premium covers the aesthetic illusion of permanence, while leaving the homeowner fully exposed to eventual component wear and system degradation. The seamless facade hides the machinery, leaving the inevitable risk of mechanical failure completely unchanged. The showroom math vanishes the moment a technician arrives to fix a basic issue. A 36-inch Sub-Zero column refrigerator weighs 449 pounds out of the box. Larger models easily clear 600 pounds. This is not a machine that simply slides away from the wall. It is bolted directly to the house, anchored by dedicated water lines, electrical conduits, and heavy steel anti-tip brackets fastened to the subfloor. On top of that structural anchoring, the unit is concealed behind heavy custom cabinetry panels. When a $20 fan motor or a control sensor hidden inside the cabinet fails, the technician cannot just reach in. They must extract a quarter-ton metal monolith. The process requires laying down protective plywood to prevent the steel rollers from crushing custom-finished hardwood floors. Two people must carefully pry the chassis forward, risking scratches to the surrounding millwork with every millimeter of movement. A simple mechanical repair instantly transforms into an invasive construction project. If the surrounding custom cabinetry was built with tight tolerances, even a minor extraction can crack veneer or warp cabinet doors. The actual part might be cheap, but the physical labor required to reach it is where the real expense begins. Cabinet makers build the surrounding wood frame to fit one specific machine down to the millimeter. A typical luxury opening measures exactly 84 inches high, 42 inches wide, and 25 inches deep. To achieve a flush aesthetic, the custom wood panels and door reveals are aligned within fractions of an inch. This precision looks flawless on day one, but it creates a permanent dimensional trap. A decade later, when that specific refrigerator fails, the homeowner cannot simply buy any 42-inch replacement. Manufacturers constantly update their designs, altering door hinges, shifting ventilation grills, and changing chassis depths. If the original model is discontinued, the new machine will not align with the existing custom wood panels or the cabinet opening. A mismatch of just 1/8 of an inch ruins the visual line of the entire wall, forcing homeowners to install awkward filler strips, cut into custom woodwork, or rebuild the surrounding cabinets from scratch. The financial extraction doesn't end with cabinetry. Installing a panel-ready refrigerator typically adds $3,000 to $5,000 in specialized labor and finish work just to hang the custom wood fronts and align the doors. If the kitchen plan includes professional cooking equipment, the infrastructure expenses escalate further. High BTU burners demand heavy-duty range hoods, which trigger a cascade of structural demands. Under Section M1503.6 of the 2021 International Residential Code, any kitchen exhaust system exceeding 400 cubic feet per minute requires a dedicated makeup air system. Homeowners cannot simply vent the air out. They must mechanically bring fresh air back in to prevent dangerous pressure imbalances. This requires motorized dampers, larger ductwork, and automated equipment that must be routed through the home. A high-end range hood ceases to be a simple fan, turning instead into an expensive HVAC project that adds massive upfront costs and a permanent maintenance burden hidden inside the walls. A 5-figure price tag might suggest long-term protection, but the actual ownership contracts reveal a different reality. Thermador offers a standard 2-year parts and labor warranty across its ranges, wall ovens, and refrigerators. Sub-Zero similarly limits its full, bumper-to-bumper product coverage to just 2 years. After this brief initial window, both brands shift to a tiered, highly specific warranty structure focused primarily on the sealed refrigeration system. While Sub-Zero covers parts and labor for the sealed system through year 5 and Thermador through year 6, both brands transition to parts-only coverage from years 7 through 12. This transition exposes homeowners to massive out-of-pocket costs. A 12-year warranty on a compressor sounds reassuring on a showroom floor, but a parts-only warranty means the owner remains fully responsible for diagnostic fees, technician travel, EPA-certified refrigerant handling, and the intensive physical labor of extraction. When a technician must spend hours removing custom wood panels, protecting hardwood floors, and pulling a 600-pound metal monolith out of a tight cabinet cavity just to access a part, the free component is only a fraction of the bill. Under these contracts, a free replacement compressor can still end up costing thousands of dollars in labor alone. A written warranty means very little if no one in your area is authorized to honor it. Many premium brands restrict access to parts and diagnostic software to their own factory-certified technicians. In metropolitan areas, this service network is dense, but outside major cities, the technician pool shrinks to a handful of providers or vanishes entirely. While a standard luxury repair averages $432, resolving issues with built-in refrigerators, steam ovens, or professional ranges routinely climbs past $1,000. Long wait times translate to weeks of a dead appliance. The ultimate test of a luxury kitchen is not the warranty document, but a simple geographic reality. Is there a qualified technician nearby who can drive to your house, diagnose the machine, source the proprietary part, and physically reinstall it? A modern luxury refrigerator is not a single machine with one predictable path to failure. It is a layered system of fragile parts. Inside the chassis, the cooling core is surrounded by electronic circuit boards, temperature sensors, motorized dampers, and Wi-Fi modules. Nearby sit automated ice makers, plastic water valves, defrost heaters, and dual evaporator fans. When manufacturers advertise extended warranties, they typically cover only the sealed system, the compressor, condenser, and refrigerant lines. They exclude the convenience systems. If a water valve cracks or a control board shorts, the extended warranty offers no help. The unit might still keep food cold, but a broken ice maker or a blank display screen still triggers repeated expensive service calls. Homeowners are left paying for proprietary parts and specialized labor to fix secondary features on a machine that was marketed as a lifetime investment. Induction cooktops offer an undeniable combination of speed, precision, and easy cleaning, while keeping gas combustion out of the home entirely. A high-end induction burner boils water in about 3 minutes and 27 seconds, compared to roughly 13 minutes and 30 seconds on a standard gas range. But this rapid performance comes with a high degree of electronic exposure. Beneath the flat ceramic glass surface, these cooktops operate like computers rather than simple stoves. They rely on power modules, dedicated cooling fans, thermal sensors, touch controls, and model-specific circuit boards. A traditional gas stove uses basic mechanical valves, but induction requires electronic circuits to generate electromagnetic energy. If a single sensor fails or a cooling fan stops working, the entire appliance shuts down. This creates a highly specialized repair path, forcing owners to source proprietary, manufacturer-specific boards just to heat a pan. Because these control boards are built for each specific model year, finding a replacement part years down the road is rarely a simple task. Data from more than 33,000 appliance service calls reveals a direct challenge to the assumption that spending more buys peace of mind. During the first year of ownership, conventional electric ranges require service at a rate of 6.2%, while gas ranges follow at 6.9%. Induction ranges, despite their premium price tag, experience an 8.7% failure rate. The division is even sharper inside the induction category itself. Models priced under $4,000 carry a service rate of 6.9%, but when the price climbs to between $4,000 and $9,000, the first-year service rate nearly doubles, reaching 12.2%. Paying a luxury premium does not secure better engineering. Instead, that extra money buys complex touchscreens, automated cooking modes, nested bridge zones, and secondary oven cavities. Homeowners are not purchasing durability. They are paying for a denser network of highly sensitive electronic components with more parts waiting to fail. On older stoves, a broken burner knob was a simple $10 fix. If a switch failed, you replace that single switch. Today, a modern cooktop consolidates the glass surface, digital display, touch-sensitive electronics, and proprietary programming into a single, integrated assembly. When one part of this interface fails, the entire piece must be replaced. An official replacement control board often costs more than $300, while the glass touchscreen assembly alone can exceed $440, prices calculated before adding diagnostic fees or specialized labor. This concentration of functions doesn't just drive up repair bills, it also centralizes safety hazards. In 2019, Whirlpool recalled approximately 26,300 Whirlpool, KitchenAid, and JennAir glass cooktops. The touch-controlled elements on these integrated glass surfaces could activate entirely on their own, turning a premium design feature into an active fire risk. When a single proprietary surface controls every essential function, one electronic glitch compromises the safety of the entire kitchen. Modern connected ovens rely heavily on digital features, offering mobile apps, remote controls, and downloadable cooking programs. But these functions depend entirely on ongoing software updates to remain active. In November 2024, a Federal Trade Commission study of 184 connected product pages revealed that nearly 89% failed to disclose how long they would support their software. Out of 21 major appliance brands analyzed, only 3 clearly stated a guaranteed software support period. This omission creates a silent expiration date for the homeowner. A buyer installs a premium wall oven expecting it to function inside their home for 15 years. Yet they are forced to make that purchase without knowing when the digital support horizon will end. When a manufacturer stops releasing updates, the physical appliance may still heat food, but the expensive smart capabilities can quickly break or disappear. Homeowners are left with a premium appliance that has lost its core features, all because of software commitments that were never clearly stated at the point of sale. This means that while the hardware remains intact, the digital lifespan of the kitchen is completely out of the homeowner's control. A premium combination wall oven costs around $6,749, while luxury, double steam, or double wall units often approach or exceed $10,000. These heavy stacked systems save counter space and look perfectly coordinated, but they pack multiple distinct cooking systems into a single custom cabinet opening. Placing all your culinary options into one integrated package multiplies the risk of a complete system shutdown. In May 2024, a major recall affected about 5,000 line built-in electric wall ovens after 95 reports of door hinge springs releasing or breaking through the trim. When a standard countertop microwave breaks, a homeowner can replace it in an afternoon. When a built-in combination unit fails, the replacement machine must exactly match the existing cabinet dimensions, electrical wiring, and surrounding kitchen design. Fixing a single broken component inside that integrated wall stack instantly forces a homeowner to coordinate an electrician, a specialized installer, and a custom cabinet maker. Before signing off on a custom kitchen plan, avoiding the integration trap requires establishing a strict purchasing standard. First, verify the local authorized service network before selecting any brand. A warranty is useless without a technician nearby. Read the full warranty contract rather than relying on headline durations, and ask specifically how long replacement parts will remain available. Avoid unnecessary combination appliances. Stick to conventional sizes and ensure major machines remain independently replaceable. Treat all smart features as temporary unless the manufacturer explicitly guarantees a software support period. While not a guarantee of reliability, look for the level of commitment shown by brands like Sub-Zero, which states its refrigeration products are designed around a 20-year lifespan and commits to keeping many replacement parts available for at least 15 years. That level of long-term parts support is what luxury pricing should actually buy, not just a seamless piece of wood. True luxury isn't about hiding your appliances, it's about retaining the power to service them. As proprietary tech and custom cabinetry deepen their grip, we are trading lifetime durability for temporary aesthetics. Ultimately, the most resilient kitchen isn't the one sealed seamlessly behind six-figure millwork, it's the one designed to be easily repaired. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.